Hey, how's it going? It's Russell James. Welcome to this video for raw vegan kale Caesar salad. It's an absolute beauty. It's so simple. Once you try this dressing, I think you're really going to love it. We've broken tradition with Caesar salad. Obviously it wouldn't normally be made with kale, but you can use this dressing for cos lettuce for any salad. We've also broken tradition a little bit by putting some olives in there, some ribbons of carrots. It just gives such a nice mouthfeel. Also, little tip for you, I would 100% recommend making, if you've got a dehydrator, making some little croutons, some little raw croutons. So if you head to the dehydrator section on my website, click on dehydrator recipes, you'll see some bread recipes there that you can change into, you can make into little croutons, which gives an incredible mouthfeel as well. A nice little crunch in that creamy kale salad. It's beautiful. You'll notice as well that we do steam kale in this video. It's just an option. If you're totally cool with digesting raw kale, if it works for you, then that's awesome. You can just wilt it down with some salt, which is the traditional way, of course, of making raw kale salad. You know, if you have trouble digesting raw cruciferous vegetables, just a light steam for a couple of minutes really changes it. Keeps it nice and springy. It's not like cooked beyond all recognition. It's not lost all of its nutrition, right? It's just broken it down a little bit. It goes lovely bright green. It's beautiful. It's really good as well if you've got someone that you're trying to help eat healthier and they don't like the idea of eating raw kale wilted down with salt. Steam it for a couple of minutes and it makes it much more palatable for people that aren't more used to this kind of way of eating. Have fun with it. Good luck. Let me know how you get on in the comments below and enjoy.